was an excellent experience. They were professional, and they kept in contact with me. Once they got here, they told me it would take 2 days. They did 11 windows, a sliding glass door, and the front door in about 10 hours, which was beyond my belief. Even when there were changes made, they sent the information. The biggest part, it wasn't your company, was the homeowners association, which I lived. That was more the delay than the company, so they did their part. Well, it's everything they told me it would be. In fact, I just got my insurance for next year because I sent in the documentation to them. I'm saving about $800. My phone bill, my light bill is gone way down. Of course, I have a new AC also, and I don't have any noise. All the noise I used to hear in my bedroom, I don't hear any. I can't even tell when it's raining. It's so quiet inside. So it's everything they told me would be. It's lived up to when they came and showed me the demonstration. Everything's lived up to what they told me.